Every job, no matter how commonplace, has its own unique set of adventures. In this 5-part series brought to you by Isuzu, we delve into the professional lives of 5 women from this automobile giant. Come again with us as Drum Magazine unveils the lives of people who work some of the more overlooked jobs in South Africa.
Morning, I'm Esti Beaumont. I'm the Field Ops Manager for the trucks at Isuzu Motors. I started, just a bit of background, I started as a forecasting analyst. It's got a lot to do with the market forecast and our sales, and then in the sales field as well, and now in the field operations for the trucks.
So what is on the cards for you for the rest of the day?
Well, now I'm going to
breathe, relax.
Yes, breathe and relax, and then I'm going to look at. I was on leave for 3 weeks, so
that must have been glorious.
I'm still catching up a bit. So today I need to see what orders came in from dealerships, allocate them the units that I want. Yes, get a status update of where we are on certain projects. So, yes.
And obviously now, before we met, before this encounter, we did a little canvassing, a little bit of research about you as a colleague, as someone to work alongside. People spoke highly of you. I mean, you were lauded for your professionalism, your eye for detail. How do you go about ensuring that you maintain those standards and almost better yourself as an employee and a person to be around at Isuzu?
Yes, I want Isuzu to be a successful brand and maintain the success where it's at, and I have a role to play in it. So it's my job to do my job to the best of my ability. Yes, and do the most I can. Help where help is needed. Yes, and listen and just try and be helpful, and
I can see the passion just emanating off of you as you speak about this. The most rewarding aspect of being a part of the Isuzu family and in this industry for you would be?
The people, our colleagues, yes, I think the people, definitely. It's a family type of environment. People come and go, but essentially we're in the same situation. We can all relate to the pressure that there is. Everybody's got different types of pressure and problems, but we all have it, and we all know that we have it, and we're just there for each other. And yes.
How far are we away? How far away are we from autonomous trucks? I'm intrigued by that whole idea.
Yes, I think that's still quite
a ways away.
Yes, yes. Right. Yes, we're taking it in small steps.
We've got to introduce it slowly. Absolutely.
Yes. Yeah. We've got the CNG, the trucks that run on gas now.
Oh, amazing.
That we've introduced. And also a dual fuel, so it can run either on diesel or CNG.
That is cool.
So that's now where we are, and then it will progress later on to electric, and yes, I guess eventually
autonomous vehicles.
Yes.
I guess we'll see.
Yes.